Hey, I'm Caleb with Woodshop, and welcome to the second installment of the Woodshop Mini. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beer bottle opener with a magnetic beer bottle opener device on it. Oh, I can't do it. Adam, do it! Let's check it out.
Yeah, good luck editing that one. Check it out.
Welcome back to another episode of Woodshop Mini, where I show you how to make easy, small projects very quickly. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be making a magnetic beer bottle opener. This was one that my brother-in-law Adam had, and it was store-bought or given to him as a gift or something. It's just some stained basic pine. The magnets are in the back, so it's all very simple. And we're going to take that apart, and I'm going to remake it for him using some of this beautiful aromatic red cedar. And let's take this apart and then we can move on. Since this is a closet liner set, it's made tongue and groove, and I'm gonna remove the tongue and groove. I'm just gonna laminate these two pieces together since they're so thin. I don't think it has to be as thick as the original. Now we just wait for it to dry. We do the other fun stuff. I'm gonna clean up all the edges. Yeah, I found a Forstner bit that's the same size as the magnet. Spray lacquer. CA glue, and I'm gonna glue in magnets. Let's do a test. If it can hold a screw, it can hold a bottle cap. Go through there, mounting the opener to the wood and then mounting it to the wall as well.
Man, that's fucking neat. That's like some Blade Runner bullshit right there.
Future! And that was made from some beautiful aromatic red cedar. Guys, what do you think of the way that red cedar looks?
Smells good. I wouldn't have known it was cedar until you told me it was cedar.
I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to Woodshops too. I have minis like this periodically throughout the week, and I have main woodworking projects. Those main woodworking videos are released every Friday, so you don't want to miss a video. Blaze, do you want to miss a video?
Hell no!
Adam, do you want to miss a video?
No. Don't miss it! Not even one!
Thank you very much for watching. I will see you next week. Adam might see you next week. Blaze might even see you next week. We'll catch you next time.